Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add handwriting signature image in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show add hand signature image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Now click from the image option. Now click for browse option. Now file your image handwriting signature. Now click for open. That's it. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Now then I show add handwriting signature image is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for